Hi, Paula for Kalvi, Oroville, continuing to document the fourth visit at Thamarai. So two of the boys that finished putting their kaleidoscope puzzle together, the one they created, chose one of Kalvi's patterns, Aurogame, and they put it together with some assistance. So here are some clips sharing their experience and their concentration. And it's really funny because at one point someone interrupted me. I was holding the large pattern up for Aditya and someone interrupted me, and so I looked over and I got back to him, and then I looked at what he had done and what I was doing, and I was a little confused, like things seemed to be off. And he took my hand and he turned it, and I said, oh, I had turned it around. So he actually noticed what I had messed up with because I was really confused. So shows that they're really learning to pay attention and concentrate and go deeply. I hope you enjoy these clips.
Where is the half? And how do you have to put it? Do you want to try it without your... Where is this piece? Half. Oh, I turned it? Okay.
Okay, so that's it for the fourth visit, I think. I will be going this weekend again for the fifth visit to Thamarai, and we'll have, I'm sure, some wonderful things to share after that. Okay, bye for now.